I think it's an honest approach that we do that, that we right away try to tackle the fisheries and agricultural sector as well as our labor market, welfare system. It's also very important for us. And if we do that, then I'm pretty optimistic then we will be before the end of the year 2028 member of the European Union. The toughest agreement negotiation I would say is on fisheries, obviously, and how we are going to tell EU that the EU fishery policy should be rather adapting the Icelandic policy on fisheries, because we have we are very proud of our fishery policy. We have a sustainable fisheries, very valuable, and I think it would be valuable for EU to learn something from the Icelandic experience.